Good morning students, welcome back. Again we are here with our chapter number 5, legislature, and the subtopics which we are going to cover today are Rajya Sabha and formation. Second is functions and power of Rajya Sabha. Students, in first subtopic we will come to know about Rajya Sabha, one of the houses of parliament which is known as upper house of parliament also. We will discuss about the formation of Rajya Sabha in first subtopic, and in second subtopic we will discuss about the different functions which can be performed by Rajya Sabha in our country, and it can be considered as its power also. So let's start with our first subtopic today, that is Rajya Sabha and its formation. Students, in last session we came to know about Lok Sabha, which is known as the lower house of parliament and which enjoys a lot of power in comparison of Rajya Sabha. Today we are going to discuss about the second house of parliament, which is known as upper house of parliament, that is Rajya Sabha. So we can write here, it is known as the upper house of parliament. So students, it's very important to know between two houses, Rajya Sabha is known as upper house of parliament, whereas Lok Sabha is known as lower house of the parliament. Now we are moving towards the process of its formation, how it can be formed. It is one of the houses consists of 250 members. Students, there are 250 members in Rajya Sabha. Now, how these members can be the part of Rajya Sabha, this is very important to know. So again we can write here 238 members are elected by different states legislative assemblies. Students, this is very important to know that among 250 members of Rajya Sabha, 238 members are elected by different state legislative assemblies. There are different states in our country, and each and every state has its own legislative assembly. So 238 members will be elected by these legislative assembly members. Now 12 members are remained. So again it's important to include here 12 members will be appointed by president. Now students again it's important to know that remaining 12 members will be appointed by our president. These 12 members can be from different fields. They can be from cinema field, they can be from art field, they can be from literature field. The main reason for appointing these people from different fields is these members can have a different way of thinking in comparison of the people who are politicians, the people who are the part of the politics. Maybe they can think in the favor of common people, in the favor of the local citizens of the country more in comparison of these politicians. And time to time they can give their suggestions and advices to the government for working for the goodness and welfare of the common people. Now students, this is the way or this is the process of formation of Rajya Sabha. Again we can revise here. There are 250 members in Rajya Sabha. Among these 250 members, 238 members are elected by different state legislative assemblies, and remaining 12 people will be appointed by the president. Now students, we are moving towards our second subtopic, that is functions and power of Rajya Sabha. First is to help Lok Sabha members for giving approval for any bill, ordinary or money. Students, this is very important to know that Rajya Sabha members always help the members of Lok Sabha for giving approval to pass any bill, whether it can be ordinary bill or it can be money bill. Yes, the members of Rajya Sabha can participate in this process. They can also give their suggestions for the process of passing bill. If they feel that there is any problem to pass any bill, money bill or ordinary bill, so they can give their suggestion for improvements. Second, for the amendment of any rule in Constitution. Students, this is also very important that Rajya Sabha members always cooperate with Lok Sabha members for the process of amendment in any rule regarding Constitution. If there is a need to improve any rule in our Constitution, so their approval is necessary, is mandatory. Third, for the process of impeachment. Students, in our previous chapter we came to know about the process of impeachment. If President has any case or any problem there against the President, so the members of Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha can give approval for the removal of a President, and that process is known as impeachment. So Rajya Sabha members play a very important role for the process of impeachment. For making laws. Really students, Rajya Sabha members who are the part of legislature, they play a very important role for framing the rules and regulations for the people of the country. So in this way, we came to know about the functions and power of Rajya Sabha. These functions can be considered as the power of Rajya Sabha. This is the power of Rajya Sabha, how Rajya Sabha works with the cooperation with the members of Lok Sabha. So students, in today's session we came to know about the formation of Rajya Sabha, and finally we came to know about the functions and power of Rajya Sabha. So that's all for today's session. In next session we will meet again with new chapter, with new subtopics. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.